Microsoft Edge memory corruption. Between June and July Patch Tuesday, memory corruption in Microsoft Edge CVE-2022-2294 was released. Heap buffer overflow in WebRTC to be precise. WebRTC, Web Real-Time Communication, is a free and open source project providing web browsers and mobile applications with real-time communication (RTC) via Application Programming Interface (APIs). It allows audio and video communication to work inside web pages by allowing direct peer-to-peer communication, eliminating the need to install plugins or download native apps. So the vulnerability is in the Chromium Open Source Software (OSS), which is consumed by Microsoft Edge. Google is aware that an exploit for this vulnerability exists in the wild. If you are using Microsoft Edge, Chromium-based, make sure it gets updated as soon as possible.